Okay, so Harvest Moon by Neil Young. We're going to start out with this D type of riff. So this is going to be the big string D open, and then 11 and 10. And we're going to try to mute the small one. So if you can kind of take that finger, you can kind of take it down slightly and touch that bottom string. That way we won't hear it on accident. So we're going to try to go bass. And what we did there is we're also trying to mute that string still with either or both of those. We're moving to the 11 and 10, from that to the 11 and 12. So we have bass, down, up, and then we switch chords, down, up, and then we're going to switch to this chord. This is going to be 9 on the bottom and 10 and 11. And we can use that D string with it. So it's going to go down, up, and then wait a second, and then. So that was down, up, down, up. So here goes in context again. So let's look at that one more time. We got bass, and then we got this 11 and 10 chord down, up, and then we're going to switch to the 11 and 12 chord down, up. So let's try that together. 2, 3, and bass. 2, 3, and bass. So that one more time. 2, 3, and bass. Then we're going to switch over to this other one, which that's 11, 10, and 9. If you want to start on the 9 on the bottom, you go 9, 10, 11. So we're going to go down, up, down, up. And that's with that big open one as well. So down, up, down, up. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4. So first part, 3, 4. And as soon as you do that last up, you're ready for a new beginning of with the bass string. See there, I accidentally hit that bottom one. You don't want that. So we're gonna do this 4 times. So that was the intro. That's going to happen later on in the song as well. So 4 times of that to get it started. Then we have these harmonics. And harmonics is where you place your finger right above the fret, but you don't press down like you would on a note. So I'm not going to be in between frets like that. I'm going to be right on top of it, but I'm not going to press down. I'm just going to set that finger there, and you get that overtone, that harmonic. So we're going down each one of these 12th fret harmonics. Now at the end, we're going to go a little faster. We're going to pop down to this open one on the bottom here. So, okay, so we got 5 notes there total. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to resume strumming an E minor chord, 2 and opens. So we got. Let me do it again. So it's kind of like 1, 2, 3. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do that twice with the harmonics and the strums there. And we're back to the D. But only 2 times this time. Back to harmonics. Back to D twice. So now that we've done that E minor thing twice, we're going to move to this G6. This is 5, 4, 3, and open on the bottom. So it's basically the strum is like. That'd be like 2 of them. So there's like 4 of them total. So. Back to D. Back to G6 again. Back to D. Part. We're going to do this is a A7 sus4. So it's 2 open, 3 open. And that's an A7, 2 open, 2 open. So I just move that one finger in that way. And then back, A7 sus, A7. And then we've cycled all the way through. We're back to 4 more of these. Harmonics, and 1, 2, E minor chord again, and 1, 2, back to D, let's break down that harmonic one more time if I got going too fast there. So it's each 12th fret harmonic starting on the bottom string, going all the way up, and then hitting the open, those bottom string open, the little string. So, and those last ones do go a little quicker. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, back to the D, and once again that was. So there's 2 sets of this. And we got those D's in between and back to D here. And then we're gonna have our change with the G6 chord. And once again, that was 5, 4, 3, and open. It's like 4 sets of that. Back to D. Final part, and that was the 2 open, 3 open, like an A7 sus. To A7, 2 open, 2 open, and back. Back to D. So we got 4 more of these. And this is going to set up a little solo section. Go right to that G6. Back to D. G6 again. Back to D. And then the A7 sus. A7. D riff 4 times, and end on a regular D chord. Okay, Harvest Moon by Neil Young. Let's see, should we look at any of those parts again? I guess that harmonic thing. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that harmonic together. 2, 3, and. Try again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and a strum, strum. So you could think of it as like a and a strum, 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 and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching that. Hope you enjoyed that. I will have some tabs coming. And right on Neil Young, beautiful song, and we will talk to you later. Thanks a lot.